it, Daddy. Get out of the way.
Wait a minute. No, I'm sorry.
Use that way.
I'm all, so the Lord said, got me. Damn, I'm all dirty and everything else too. So I'm in. Come on in, Will. Come on in, Will. Come on, you guys do know my birthday was yesterday, though. Come on.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, yesterday.
Well, you had to share it with
That's why you guys really got me on this one, too. I come pulling up, dude. I'm like, Will, who's that car there? I don't know. Hey, thank you guys very much. Thank you.
Happy birthday! Okay. You gotta go down to your major boys.
All right, I'm going down there. Oh, yeah.
guys, group,
Yeah.
it's over now.
Oh, you guys make me want to cry right now. Damn, we got some tears going on.
I thought I was going to be able to get the dog and Jenny in before you guys got back. And you guys pull out the camera.
Here you go. I'll take that one. I got a little hat right here, too. All right, I got it on.
Before you put that on.
Oh, yeah. Can I get a tissue, too, Manny?
Yes.
There you go.
Yeah, hold on. Let me wipe my eyes real quick. Okay. That's my 50-year-old tears right there. It's been a while. 50-year-old while.
Have you been saving those up?
I've been saving them up for 50 years now. Put my little hat on. Oh, that's it right there. All right.
All right, look at the camera.
Okay, I'm looking at the camera.
Pull harder
Happy
than that.
birthday!
Thank you.
Happy birthday!
Yay, Grandma.
32. Woo-wee. No wonder why Will kept me out there so long.
Hey, you got to try you.
I gotta go find him.
Just told the kids you guys go first. Where's that old man at? I see Trey there. Come on, get him.
Okay, so how did this all work? 50 years. How does it all work?
That's 5.
5-0? Do we start with reading this big old card right here?
Well, not everybody got it. It's not ready yet.
Okay, I'll give you guys a chance. I guess I am considered a
Need something from you?
senior slow old zone. I should put this on the quad when I go up right there. And my little old person diploma too?
I must be under
I gotta be right here.
There, you're higher now. Got it.
Hey, stop! Hey, you got no dog on here. This is how to grow hair again. Fast and sexy even. Wow. Yeah, wow, for I get that one. Hold on, you guys. Hold on. 50 years.
Hey, you can still blow.
Not better than my wife, though.
Oh!
You threw that in there, didn't you?
TMI.
Boy, that was a pitchfork. That wasn't
Oh, man. Oh, shirt.
Are we able to turn the movie back on?
He's upset because he can't see the TV.
I know, the movie's gone.
Wildfires, check. Murdered hornets, check. Pandemic, check. Civil unrest, check. Turn 50, check. Oh, I got some unchecked things I gotta go through here. I gotta go through zombie apocalypse. What's that mean? Apocalypse. That's a long word right there. Yeah, I need to drink a beer for that one. Then we got alien invasion. Man, there's a lot of stuff that's gonna happen after 50.
Yeah, we have a month left.
All takeover and a nuclear winter. Wow, there's anywhere. Huh?
AI takeover.
Hey, that's an I?
Artificial intelligence.
Oh, got you. I need a beer on that one.
Gotta get a beer on that one.
Well, thank you. Thank you, everybody.
Oh, avocado.
You're not done yet.
Oh, I'm not done yet? Oh.
Baby,
Okay. Do I need to put this shirt on?
Not yet.
I-
Well, you
okay.
can if you want.
No,
it's too
I'm
dirty.
kind of dirty right now.
It's too dirty.
Got sand. Oh, they even got the extra large too. Nice. Big old fat belly,
This is
huh?
going in.
With this?
Oh, you got a caution vest too? I'm a construction worker on top of that, 50 years old?
Yeah, see?
Okay. Oh, wait, I gotta read that one.
Caution.
Okay, everybody gotta read this one.
Airheads.
Caution, slow old zone.
Memory detour.
Memory detour that way.
Stop, nap, and shuffle.
Babe, this one right here. Toxic fumes coming from rear. I have to wear this for the bed,
Okay.
Quit playing around, put it on. You can read it later. We tie it up too. Set up right here. Okay, got it.
Okay, Lori, tie the other
Tie
side.
the other side. Okay.
Nothing stops me, does it?
When do the old folk ladies come to the strip club?
Avocado.
He's ready for his SpongeBob.
I am.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Brookston, can't you say hi?
Okay, I can
All that
actually.
leaky.
Don't go back there.
And look at,
We can see what it is.
and they got the extra large also.
Deal with
Oh,
it.
you know you're small.
Deal
Max
with
is
it.
gonna get forward. Max,
Deal
we
with
did talk
it.
about this last night, remember?
Yes, we did.
You actually remember.
Deal
Just for
with
those
it.
light days, bladder pads.
Yeah, believe.
Do I have like these, man? I'm like, wow, I better use 2 of those. I'm gonna have a whole list over here.
This is for Lori, really, in case of emergency. Finish reading it.
Okay, it says, in case of an
Oh, you're
emergency,
going over there,
if,
Brixton.
It found.
if I look lost or confused like I am right now, please return me to my address, my name. Got a little caller for me, so make sure you can write it where in the front or the back.
Hey, I've got a lanyard for you.
Depending on the weight on the floor or not. I like this one right here. 100% hairstyle. Who thought of that
And your
one?
very own hemorrhoid cream.
Oh, I'm stopping up this over that. I was talking about that too, right? Remember Jimmy the other day ago?
Hey, make sure you use gloves with your shirt.
That's not happening yet, but I'm pretty sure it's coming soon. Do you guys have any special glasses inside that bag?
Some reading glasses.
Yeah, those ones right there.
Okay, in case you get diaper rash.
I'm gonna get that.
Change these.
I'm gonna get that. My wife said she'll help me out with it. Hey, and my boy said they're gonna help me out this too, right? Changing my diaper when I get older. I'm 50 now.
Okay, a little bit of denture cream.
Hey, you're married. You're married, so.
Yeah, but you know what? Trey, you guys still gotta pinch in. Get your cream, I like that one too.
Now you know your dad was always there for you.
Where's baby powder in the white? They gotta practice their kids. I don't need to be
Okay, a
doing
little
that.
bit of Vaseline in case you need, you know.
Hey, your lips.
Billy, you don't want to know
Oh,
about
yeah,
that one,
but
okay?
these are chapped.
That's actually just to put this inside there, just in case, right there. Billy's like,
Hey, Mike, don't get those confused. You didn't read the
it
message.
tastes the same.
Lori.
And it's great too.
Energy.
I might get lucky. Never did, huh?
And you need this for gray alert.
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna need that. I might need to take a couple of these right now. These kids wore me out today. Those tablets.
I don't know when, but someday, gray away.
I got the magazine to grow hair and make sure it's not gray.
Wait. Where is it?
It's down there.
I want you to know I got you your very own hairbrush.
Not a whisper inside either. That does say Bald Man's Airbrush.
Hey, you can also use that as a paddle.
I was thinking what it does officially say.
Bald man's hair.
I just thought it really does say that too.
Okay.
Oh yeah, this is the one.
It's
Welcome to the club.
official. It's very official.
Ah, boy.
What do you want?
I remember I bought one of those for my dad one year. I look at apples and large so I can show my guns. I no matter how old I am, I still got my guns right there.
Hang on.
You guys will what though?
Young at heart. I like it. Either the water or out on the road. It don't matter.
There you go.
Hold it up here, Mikey.
Hold it up. Hold on right here. Oh yeah.
Hold it up.
I can't forget that one. And that one right there. Old guys rule.
Got it.
Remember that one year I got you this, Dad? Did you feel good about it? Old guys rule? You still got it, I know you do. Oh, that's the back of it all
That's
back?
the same shirt.
It's a hand-me-down, right?
What's the toolbox for?
Pass along. All that shit was in it.
Oh, okay, thank you. That is actually a going away med kit right there, huh?
That's so you don't lose all your stuff.
Hey, try and fit all that back in there.
I'm gonna give it a shot right
All
here.
right.
I would ask my wife, and I think I can. Hold on, I gotta put that on the top so I gotta come here first.
All the balloons gotta go in that box too.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, your bladder.
Oh, I got 2 bladders. No, that was already inside there, fall on the lap. Was that minor absorbent or extra absorbent? That's gonna stay on top.
Yeah.
That's gonna stay on top right there. That's a really good job. Really good job right there.
What, baby?
You want that balloon, but not there, you got the black one there.
I gotta be
Guy you see there hugging is my youngest son with his gray and white cat. And my oldest son that just had the birthday, that is his oldest son.
Don't even worry about it. I don't know, but
You can see his family is growing by leaps and bounds. And we have 5 great-grandchildren here too. And my grandmother over here, they look like she's a little child. She's 26 years old.
I got the card, I know.
And there's her
Did
grandmother.
anybody forget to sign the card? My wife said they would be home to sign the card.
Here is my husband playing with the balloon.
All the ones that were out on the trip. Does anybody want to sign the card? You got anything special to say?
Maybe.
Can't hear you.
Oh well. There's my youngest son.
I gotta sign the card to do what?
You see, here's running our family. Say hi.
Hey, sign it now? You can sign it later.
Jenny's coming through, guys.
I'll sign it later when I have good ideas.
Good idea.
Yeah.